started!
Yes.
Hi everyone, I'm Farah and welcome to What the Food? It's all about real stories from real people in the food industry. So currently, I'm at Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre to accompany Alan to visit a trade show to get inspiration for new food products. Let's go! I'm impressed to see a lot of innovative food solutions and new products launched in the market.
Yes, this is one of our usual activities when we attend international food trade shows to gather actual intel on the latest trending ingredients, upcoming new technologies, and appealing food products innovation. This helps the idea generation of new products.
Wow! I'm sure it must have been challenging when the pandemic first hit with no physical events allowed, right?
Yes, indeed, but we use varying techniques to generate ideas for new products beside at a new trade show. Hence, we are always able to keep up to date on new products being launched, new research on innovative ingredients being published, and latest market trends on consumer behavior being identified.
So, once you have identified a new idea, what will be the next step?
We need to screen the idea throughout the development of the project in order to gauge if the market is able to accept the food concept, if the right ingredients are available, organize consumer tasting, work out the costing, and identify the regulatory impacts.
I see. Sounds like a very complex process is taking place. That was it. So now we're going back to the office to understand more about new product development. So what is the most challenging part of your job?
For me, creating a new product from scratch is very challenging. Why? Because it comprises of many different processes and procedures. Let's take our latest products range for our own foodwear brand, a set of 3 different muffin SKUs, specifically developed for the Malaysian market. When we started this project 2 years ago, we found out the demand from Malaysian for bakery product was consistently strong, but we had few products to offer in the retail market. So I started working with our team to figure out whether there was a room for a new baked muffin in the retail market.
I see. So the initial process to identify the right product, right? Usually it's how long?
Typically, this whole process works like a funnel. You may start with 12 to 15 concepts, and then you research and you evaluate them. Some concept will get discarded because the concept already exists on the market. Sometimes the concept is too raw or is too niche, so it will have not a large enough potential for customer base to proceed. So many possible terms along the way.
After you've identified and developed the right product concept, what do?
This is when I start to test the market feasibility via our extensive market entry assessment platform. This includes the new product's cost and overall product evaluation, covering 3 main aspects: sensory test, a value proposition, and a price comparison.
So what about the product certification and such?
It will be handled by the regulatory team. We will also be working closely with the marketing team, first for developing the right packaging, design, and later for communicating the most impactful marketing message, both online and on-site in the stores.
So what inspires you every day?
Wow, that's a very interesting question, Farah. Having this job means it's never quite a day for me, and I really enjoy that. The fact that I don't know who I'm going to speak to, what I'm going to do, who I'm going to meet, it makes it challenging and fun. But nothing beats the feeling of seeing a product on which you have spent months, even years, nicely stocked on the beautiful retail shelves. You cannot imagine how good that feels. I think that what we do here is very special and it feels really, really great. Sometimes even intimidating to know that you are part of something big, part of a team of very skilled and professional and passionate people, and you don't want to fail them.
I'm very amazed with what Alan does on a daily basis. Conceptualizing a product in mind and turning that vision into reality is not an easy job. There are a lot of different processes involved in creating, processing, and commercializing of new products. So next time you have a new innovation to bring to the market or a product to distribute, skip the hassle of going through all these complicated processes. You know where to go. If you want to know more about real stories from real people in the food industry, stay tuned for the next episode of What the Food? Bye!